Start 6 right, slight left. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right short into slight left, 150 over bumps. 5 right short into 6 left over bumps. Into bridge to 5 left, opens of a crest, 70. 4 left short and left of a crest, 50. 2 right sharp, 40. Crest into 3 right short and 6 left, slowing. And left of a crest into 5 right and square left. 50, 1 right, tightens, 30. Crest, 60. Late 5 left, over jump and 4 left, 150. Late 5 left of a crest to 6 right of a jump and 3 right, through junction to slight left and slight right of a crest, long. 80 over bumps. Right to the crest, slowing, 50, caution, 3 left, tightens to 3 right, 70. Late 6 left, narrows, 40. 4 right short of a crest, 50, 4 left, half long tightens, 60. Slight left of a crest, 40. Slowing, 6 right, into crest, 100. Slowing, crest and turn 3 left, narrows, tightens, 70 left of the crest. Into 4 right, long, tightens 3, 30, slight right. Into crest. And slight left, 40, small crest, 50. 5 left, 40, 6 right, half long, 30. Slight left, tightens 5, 50, make 4 right, tightens of a crest, and slight left, half long 120, 5 right, and crest, to slight left, 80, caution, jump, and late 5 right, half long into right of a crest, and 6 left, and crest, 80, 5 right of a crest, half long, 90. 5 left, into crest, 30. 6 right short, and slight right of the crest, 70. Crest, keep left, 80. 4 left, long, and crest, 40. 3 right. Into crest, 30. Slight left of the crest. Into 6 right, 6 left, into crest, to 4 right, into 4 left, opens, and slight right, into 4 left, tightens, 40, caution, 5 left, narrows, crest, 30, 2 right, tightens, 6 left of a crest, and 6 left, half long, tightens, into 6 right, of a bump, to slight left, 50, 6 right, opens, to left of the crest, and 5 right of the crest, 30, 6 left, half long, into crest, 40, over finish, into 6 left, to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute, 0.5.